the younger generation in the go that the Toronto kaju tangge ro chegi du nge kaju tangi me thagya la yenge du lage ro.
Tibetans united!
This protest is organized here in Toronto by the 5 different organizations: Canadian Tibetan Association of Ontario, Tibetan Women Association of Ontario, Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, Students for a Free Tibet Toronto, and Pilgrim Chushukan.
This seems to much at the Lange Indian Kashi Shuchoji.
Pausion la Tochena Sunny millions of Toto Telomulane to do the Dairy Social Angle.
다자나라 가진 신의 체를 zamni 나게 되버치고 수지당 진진 피도 중에 회미린다 zamni 연기 나라면의 우티 zamni 시대 대비 진화 공사 장비 경험 군체 주시가 전부 총 다자나라 가진 신의 체를 zamni 나게 되버치고 투지다 제진 피도 중에 회미리다 zamni 연기 나라면의 우티 진화 시대 대표 진화 공사 장비 전부 우티 주시가 전부 총라 대박 담지 1m 그저 표가 담자 드리
진화 선배 최군인 야가기 계속 들리로 대기 쿨줄 자체가 텐지 페마라기 간다 치서
내차 회 대군 회 함대게 사구도 자나 시숑키 지치 슈게 깜포 추로 사치 셰바 주근 제규레 대신 회나 예배 표미 동창 방구라 강의 숙진시 수시 예배 마세 짝주나 유신배 그리
Pedeni lotu sojone kame shugo.
강성 치들린 길록도 석촌 기촌에 참으로 랑아도 들래 단대 철라 감지게 기 못해내 조심돼 니시 자라 신부지 총대래 안테 걸라 통통지 쉬거나 수원 미국이 신능 예배 나라 표미 직동 타 야미 기준주 제부 마세 혼자는 나셔야 통요래 경생 가르래나 야미 거랑서 지슈이 기생라 출라야 이긴데 유신 모빌 지쳐버려 또 유신 모빌이 지사기 싸져들라 맞저기 되게 고마 많고요 출라 야비 긴티 겸바 맞저 베베 겸바 드인지 도시당 못해버려 아니 겸바 드인디 냥도 정해니 지금 도시당 거래 맞아 이게 최대 골라 같이 하고 그랬잖아 그 상황 난기 되니 소소 소는 얘가 맞아 봐 그리고 위키 다방기 다파를 드셔나 페가로
Lotu sojone toshena Very chide chobe lotu nane mima lang lo tong nangju
Oh
감근 젠보 공사이 제노보 감근 젠보 공사이 제노보
Tibetans, united! What do we want? We want freedom! What do we want? We want freedom! When do we want it? Now, now! When do we want it? Now, now! When do we want it? Now, now! China, China, China! China, China, China! When? When?
China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. World is watching. World is watching. We want freedom. We want freedom.
Two lines.
Now.
Two lines.
China out of Tibet now. You ain't no!
We want freedom. What do we want?
We want freedom.
When do we want?
Now.
When do we want it?
Now.
China out of Tibet 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 now.
We want justice. United Nations.
We want justice.
United Nations.
We want justice.
China. China.
No.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
Tibetans are dying.
How many lives?
We will.
Free Tibet.
We will.
Free Tibet.
We will.
Free Tibet.
Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Stop the killing.
In Tibet.
Stop the killing.
In Tibet.
Stop the mining.
In Tibet.
Stop the mining.
In Tibet.
Stop the genocide.
In Tibet.
Stop the genocide.
In Tibet.
Stop the torture. Stop the torture. Learning Tibetan. Learning Tibetan. Learning Tibetan. World leaders unite. Stop the torture. Stop the torture. No human rights. No human rights. Learning Tibetan. Learning Tibetan.
Uprising Day, the Tibetan National Uprising Day. This Protest is organized here in Toronto by the 5 different organizations: Canadian Tibetan Association of Ontario, Tibetan Women Association of Ontario, Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, Students for a Free Tibet Toronto, and Pilgrim Chushukandu. My name is Jamyang Doma, and I'll be your MC today.
Each thing go to go. It's so long as they come to do on the go smart thing. Yeah, posad into the pen and the volunteers into this Canada. That's all. Transo기 랭게 차고리 기도기 속소든 소 라라 민데 텐데 지금 마치나 야고 둘라니 단다디 비디오 만서 롱예 라야라 롱예 라조디 미디 예명 만서 그래 하고 디강에 디 February 14 is dogoda February 14 they miss some Valentine tang there. It's fine, okay, I understand, we live here, but at the same time we have to know what's happening inside our own country. Pela remar lada di job the younger generation minda gonda ta transol kaju tangge ro chegi du ni kaju tangi me thagyala yinge du lage ro manjo ki te sik thona chego du minda especially manjo dele yinge dinjo ra chuwa gi minda the younger generation has a responsibility to ask their parents what's happening. I'm seeing this video, what's happening pala ama khayomar, they go for work, they work 80 hours, but at the same time pala ama ki responsibility ki pula la oi di video thongse. It's good. You guys talk about Bollywood, Hollywood, it's good. But at the same time, talk about our own issue. Remare, want to stick to line. And talk about Kito Dinzola. Very big issue, and I'm the chance so much about Kito Nalara. Talk to the crowns of the Laronam in there. Losa, the Tapa in the New York and the Ligire, Digalara, Chinda Sumba, March 10. It's something that we can't forget. Remare, Diki March, Dawa March Laminde, Kanto to Tukta Madora Nanglani. Tibet chinda shiwala tangro nang minda so ki birthday celebration and it's a different thing, different topic. Changsa gaya da thukje ta da minda chinda shiwal chinnanda. It's not only about 10 March 11 March 12 la kharcha hai March 12 kharcha hai pins do khar wow March 12 on the chao na shi March 13 17 thasa Chagan temple la March 22nd la minda phaba we know about Subhash Chandra Bose re mare 야가기 freedom fighter pe mangbo onde nganzo hasale chungyo nganzo research do ha고 do konzo tari nisani nistabdela minda menda kora kin dego training kora yo mar didn't have training. So this is not only about March 10, the whole month was like, you know, nganzo ki lenge chagor samdo nganzo pheba chi ndu gopsu une lageda lo gemba dinjo minda chiglani minda tang nga mangbo chi lara nga mi mangbo dasayu minda so manzo lumba dala ngi khanju monju lan dasa na ra une ke lago me ra personal attack su che me minda manzo rangi gen ki gore samgudu mi lo chambo chani gen ki ni shengel lab shenge gi gemba la ki che thigor samgudu gonda da shira mamu shya me sunju de ko samai kingere ra onde chira e tanganzo de Sharabla ki CDC director Sharabla ki chingchingi sunangire dijala bimala lu che an digijala an nganzu khumde gochu nei ta sawalengi dinjol chingchingi ji shya dura chranzo par khantu du gaira na garochi tanda Ottawa le yolan dinashani gemishum zabla deni ni chuchegas khumde dogore shirashi bangmu mare ra tes khagi do tes chik okay Sharabla.
We have come a long way since March 10, 1959. We have been resilient and successful in preserving our Tibetan identity for more than 6 decades, despite the best attempts from one of the most powerful forces in the world. with the leadership of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, sacrifices of thousands of unsung heroes, establishment of democratic system in exile, and the resilience of Tibetans inside Tibet, we have sustained our fight for freedom that many could not have imagined 6 decades ago. Today, if China stands for power, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Tibetan people stand for soft power. If China stands for autocracy, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Tibetan people stand for democracy. If China promotes disinformation and misinformation, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Tibetan people promote truth and justice. Today, we have many from international community, including Canada, standing strong with the Tibetan children in the Chinese residential school, standing strong with the forcibly relocated Tibetan nomads, and others who are being oppressed for being Tibetans, for wanting to preserve their Tibetan national identity. My dear Tibetans and supporters, change is coming. The tide will turn. Truth will prevail. Justice will be served. It's just a matter of time. No empire in the history has been too big to fail. However, the most important thing is that we must stay ready for the change. And the first important step towards getting ourselves ready for the change is unity.
대표죠. 나 포상 대표죠.
Yeah.
No, shame.
Hello? Hello?